Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'll be using two of these glass jars and candle holders, both from Dollar Tree. I take Mod Podge and apply a layer of that to the entire outside of the jar and then dry those completely. I paint both of the candle holders with ink color chalk paint, and that is by Waverly, giving those full coverage. I also paint the lids with the same color. Make sure those are completely dry, and then I take a matte varnish by Waverly and coat the candle holders as well as the lids. Next, I'm taking some of this Garland I got from Dollar Tree as well, and I'm going to be making a mini wreath for the jars. I measure about how wide I want it against the jar, and then wrap it around itself, and then go around and trim that up so it's not as big. I make one for each jar. Then I am taking this ribbon and floral wire and making two small bows. Once I make the bow shape out of the ribbon, I take that floral wire and I wrap it around the center where I have it pinched. Twist it a few times, cut the wire, and then I will be hot gluing the bows to the wreaths. After I have them hot glued into place, I trim up the tails. Next, I take another piece of the ribbon and hot glue it to where I'll be adding that wreath, and I hot glue it to the inside of the jar. I hold that down and then add some hot glue and place down the wreath. I flip it over and trim up that ribbon. I add back on the lids. And then I'm taking Gorilla Grip glue, adding that to the top of the candle holders, and then placing down those glass jars. And this glue does need a full 24 hours to set. And I do add in some LED tea lights to each of the jars. And that's it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.